for now, just this trading chart, 30 second and 1 minute are structured good for trading E-minis because you can see the channel clearly with the pullbacks. Let me check all of that. So as long as from here to here is about average 4 or 5 points. If it's 2 points like here, is not dominant range. If it's
Right.
10 points, it's too big. At the beginning, during news, you see many moves. When it becomes smooth like that, then on 5-minute chart is also very clear, tight channel that there is no shadow out of that. And I guess you practice that now. Let me see if you're good in this now. Yeah, so what's the size of your account in Top Step? Because your contract size needs to be right. Otherwise, you go to the risk of ruin.
So it's the 50K combine. So the max is
Okay.
5 contracts.
50K, you need to make 3,000 profit.
Yep. Yeah, so I'm at 2,000 right now.
And then your drawdown is 3,000 again, or 2,500 something.
No, the drawdown is 2,000, which kind of sucks, but
Do you have daily drawdown limit, or they remove it?
um I think it's just the drawdown that the trailing drawdown. There's no daily one, you just can't hit that. So right now I'm at 52,000 balance, so I can't go below 50,000. So it's your max loss limit.
Okay, so you made 2,000 and you're just 1K away from passing.
Yeah, and I feel really good with what I'm doing. I think the only mistake I've made is taking too many trades. Um, I would say that's the biggest problem is taking too many trades. And occasionally when there was a couple where I know, like, let's say it was an uptrend, pull back, and I buy, and I feel like the resistance and there's selling pressure. And I was like, and I had a feeling like, all right, I should get out of this trade, and I didn't. And then my stop loss got hit.
Yeah.
So I guess there I'm not really sure how much I should be like micromanaging the trade or if I should just trust and allow it to hit the stop loss. I guess that's where I'm a little confused because I've
First
seen.
step, you have to trust. You have to trust the system. Like this trade is good. You're entering here, long position, and
Mhm.
your stop loss is correct. Shouldn't actually reach this much. And your target is also correct. So you have to set and forget this and still get 70% win rate, 80%. Try to improve 80% with this win to loss ratio. And,
Okay.
and if there's a big runner like this, you don't care at the beginning. If there's more important is that this trend line holds and you trust it and your dominant range is correct. So you're sure that if you entered here, it will not reach here. Wait till it reach either this way or that way and see what happened to your statistics of trades.
Okay. Yeah, I guess the other thing would be, and you can see it perfectly right there. Like my entry signal right now is the trend line breakout. So that
Yes,
I'll draw
good.
that line, wait for it to cross. But I am seeing a bunch of times where it does cross and then it goes right down.
That's fine. Then it could be the macro problem or it's really end of the trend that you have to master momentum. So don't worry
Yeah,
about that.
and I was going through the course again and I kind of realized that I haven't really been using momentum that much. It's more of just a visual thing. Like I haven't been drawing the upward range lines and
Yes.
seeing that, oh, okay, my range is going down, my momentum is going down. I haven't really been identifying dynamic support line, dynamic resistance line in like how they're shifting.
Yes. Around the turning points, you get trapped. And you have to practice a lot to know that when is the beginning of the trend, middle of trend, end of trend, because end of trend becomes sideways and can easily reverse. And still, we're thinking still that the market is going to go up in the same way. But with practice, you will see that now it may totally reverse with this kind of E-minis and reach original price of the day. So it can have big pullback and really downtrend. Uptrend can become downtrend every 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes, there's a wave going up, then sideways for a while. Then it can continue that to break, or it can reverse totally. And the reverse can be very deep or just some sort of correction. So
Right.
all you need is pause and wait for that moment that there's a good channel like this, then take one good trade like this, one good trade like this. 2 trades is enough per day with 1 or 2 contracts. The more you're getting close to the end, is that unlimited or every 30 days you have to pay money?
Yeah, I think it's every 30 days to get the
I
reset.
guess Top Step is now cheap, around $50 something, yeah, $80.
Yeah, it was only like $60.
Yeah, so it's good deal. Just don't rush when the market is not good, when the Fed is speaking, when the Fed members are speaking, and volatility is high, and you see a spikes in the macro chart. Don't trade. For now, it looks like you're doing well. This is really nice. All you need is another chart that you make sure you have room down here, and there's no support and resistance in macro charts. If
Right.
there's a support in macro, it's gonna bounce here and go up. But if there's nothing there, then you're sure that this is gonna continue to retest that support level.